Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the fifth part of hyperbolic function. As we have already discussed some of the formulas of hyperbolic function, by using those formulas we will derive some more formulas of hyperbolic function. We know the formulas for sine hyperbolic x plus y and x minus y, and also for cos hyperbolic x plus y and for x minus y. By using those formulas we will derive some more formulas of hyperbolic function. So let's write. So the formulas of sine hyperbolic x plus y is equals to, so let's write like this. We know that sine hyperbolic x plus y is equals to sine hyperbolic x into cos hyperbolic y plus sine hyperbolic y into cos hyperbolic x. So this is our, let's consider this formula as equation 1. Let us consider this one as 1, and then we will go for the sine hyperbolic x minus y, which is equals to sine hyperbolic x into cos hyperbolic y, then minus cos hyperbolic x into sine hyperbolic y. Let's write this one also as cos hyperbolic x into sine hyperbolic y. Next, the next one is cos hyperbolic x plus y is equals to cos hyperbolic x into cos hyperbolic y plus sine hyperbolic x into sine hyperbolic y. And similarly we will also write the formula for cos hyperbolic x minus y, which is cos hyperbolic x into cos hyperbolic y minus sine hyperbolic x into sine hyperbolic y. So these are the four formulas which we have already discussed in our previous videos. So consider this as a second equation, and then this is our third equation, and this is our fourth equation. Now by adding the equation 1 and 2, let's add these two equations, equation 1 and 2. We will get some formulas like, let's write here, adding equation 1 and 2, we get, see here, on adding these two equations, how can we write these two equations as sine hyperbolic x plus y and then plus sine hyperbolic x minus y. Then if we add these two, that means sine hyperbolic x plus cos hyperbolic y and sine hyperbolic x into cos hyperbolic y, we get as 2 sine hyperbolic x into cos hyperbolic y. And if you add these two values gets cancelled out here, so there is no value to be written. So this is what we got, the formula of sine hyperbolic x plus y plus sine hyperbolic x minus y as like this. And then we will go for the next one, that is the next one. Similarly, we will subtract the equation 2 from 1. At first we have to add the equation, and then again the same number has to be, the same formulas has to be subtracted. Means subtracting equation 2 from 1. So we get sine hyperbolic x plus y. See here, on subtracting these two equations only. Now subtract sine hyperbolic x plus y minus sine hyperbolic x minus y. So this is what we have to write here x minus y, which is equals to, if I subtract sine hyperbolic x into cos hyperbolic y minus sine hyperbolic x into cos hyperbolic y, then this value will become 0. Then again the other part is cos hyperbolic x into sine hyperbolic y minus of cos hyperbolic x into sine hyperbolic y. So here it will becomes 2 cos hyperbolic x into sine hyperbolic y. So this is our, consider this is as our fifth equation and this is our sixth equation. Similarly we will do for the third and fourth equations also, as we have done for the first and second, like we have added the equation 1 and 2 and then we have subtracted the equation 1 and 2. Similarly we will do for the third and fourth equations to get the cos hyperbolic x plus y plus cos hyperbolic x minus y. Similarly for cos hyperbolic x plus y minus cos hyperbolic x minus y. So let's write, adding equation 3 and 4, we get as cos hyperbolic x plus y plus cos hyperbolic x minus y, which is equals to 2 cos hyperbolic x into cos hyperbolic y, and this is our seventh equation. Let's go for the subtraction part of the third and fourth equation. So subtract equation 4 from 3. Okay, then we will get cos hyperbolic x plus y, then minus cos hyperbolic x minus y, which is equals to 2 sine hyperbolic x into sine hyperbolic y. So this is our eighth equation. Now let's consider, so these are the equations which we got on adding and subtracting the equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. We got these 5, 6, 7, 8 equations. Now in this we will do some changes to get the formulas of sine a plus b formulas. So for that, let's change the equations of 5, 6, 7, 8 as, let, or you can write it as, put x plus y as a and for x minus y as b. So these are the two values which we have to change. That means in the particular 5, 6, 7 and 8 equations, we have x plus y and x minus y. In that place we will replace, in place of x plus y we will replace a, and similarly in the place of x minus y we will replace b. So on writing those we will get, so now the equation, so consider this as equation 9 and 10. So now the equation, for this also we have to do addition and then subtraction. So before substituting the values of these x plus y and x minus y, let's do the addition of these two equations and subtraction of these two equations. So on adding, equation 9 and 10 will become x plus y plus x minus y, which is equals to a plus b, since we are adding those two equations. Then here if you see, the plus y and minus y will get cancelled out here and the left out value is 2x is equals to a plus b, and the x value which will becomes as a plus b upon 2. And similarly we will do the addition, subtraction for this part. On subtracting we will get both subtracting the equation 1 and 10, equation 9 and 10. On subtracting we will get x plus y minus of x minus y, which is equals to a minus b. So here we will cancel out the x values because plus x minus x will get cancelled out here, and we have plus y, minus of minus, that means plus y. So 2y is equals to a minus b. So y is equals to a minus b upon 2. So these are the values which we got here. See, we have the value of x here, and we have the value of y also, and then we have to substitute the values for x plus y and x minus y also. In the next step, we can write the equation 5 which we have here is, see here we have the equation as sine hyperbolic x plus y. So here we will write the value of a, that means it becomes sine hyperbolic, I think I can write it here. So on substituting, let's try to write here sine hyperbolic a plus sine hyperbolic b, which is equals to 2 sine hyperbolic, no, we will write at the back only because there is no space to write here, then plus y. So the first equation, which is fifth one, sine hyperbolic x plus y plus sine hyperbolic x minus y, which is equals to 2 sine hyperbolic x into cos hyperbolic y. So the fifth equation can be written as, rewriting the equation, okay, wait, we can write it like this, that means the formula of sine hyperbolic x plus y as, by substituting the values of, so I can write it here as the equation 5 will become, so equation 5 becomes sine hyperbolic a, because in that place x plus y was written, so a plus sine hyperbolic b, which is equals to 2 sine hyperbolic h a plus b upon 2 into cos hyperbolic a minus b upon 2. So we have the formula as, for this we got the value as sine hyperbolic x plus y, then sine hyperbolic x minus y, which is equals to sine hyperbolic x into cos hyperbolic y. So just I have substituted the values. In place of x plus y I have written a, in place of x minus y I have written b, and similarly for x value I have written a plus b upon 2, which we got here, and similarly for the y we got the value cos hyperbolic a minus b upon 2. Now let's go for the next equation. So the next equation was equation 6. Then equation 6 will become as, equation 6 becomes sine hyperbolic a minus sine hyperbolic b, which is equals to 2 cos hyperbolic a plus b upon 2 into sine hyperbolic a minus b upon 2. You can go and check the formula equation 6, and you can substitute the value of a, b and x, yes, a, b, x and y, and the equation 7 will becomes, and this will also, we can change it as cos hyperbolic a plus cos hyperbolic b, which is equals to 2 cos hyperbolic a plus b upon 2 into cos hyperbolic a minus b upon 2. Similarly, let's write for the equation 8. So the equation 8 will be written as cos hyperbolic a minus cos hyperbolic b, which is equals to 2 sine hyperbolic a plus b upon 2 into sine hyperbolic a minus b. So this is what we got the formulas of the particular equations. Then as we have the fifth, so this is our fifth equation. We can highlight the value. So this is our fifth equation, which we have changed to sine hyperbolic a plus sine hyperbolic b, which is equals to sine hyperbolic a plus b upon 2 into cos hyperbolic a minus b upon 2. Similarly, we have the formula for sine hyperbolic a minus sine hyperbolic b. So here I have forgot to write h. And then the formula for cos hyperbolic a plus sine cos hyperbolic b will be, this is the formula for those values. And the last, this is what we got here. So in this class we will discuss this much only. In the next class we will discuss about the relationship between hyperbolic function and trigonometric function, and also I will teach you the sum of the results of hyperbolic functions which are left out. So then we will go for the some proof examples of this particular lesson. So that's it for today. Thank you.